From a distance, it looks like ordinary coastline, barren hills, islands, fishing boats, and blue water. But along the Gulf, Iran built something more dangerous than a navy base. It built a missile coast, radar posts, island garrisons, tunnel complexes, truck launchers, swarm boats, drones, and mines all feed one system aimed at the same narrow shipping corridor. That system does not need to sink every ship. It only needs to make passage feel uncertain, expensive, and slow. And inside Hormuz, geography does most of the work for Tehran before the first missile even moves. Today, we go inside how Iran built a missile coast on the Gulf. Hormuz compresses Gulf shipping into one narrow maritime gate today. Now directly they're still here. The strait narrows to about 33 kilometers at its tightest point today now directly. Shipping lanes sit inside Iranian and Omani territorial waters at the choke point today now directly. Around 3,000 ships usually pass through Hormuz every month in normal conditions today now. About 1/5 of global oil and LNG usually moves through Hormuz today now directly. Qatar exported about 9.3 billion cubic feet daily through Hormuz today now directly. Roughly 1/3 of global fertilizer trade normally passes the strait today now directly there. Hormuz is deep enough for the world's biggest crude tankers today now directly there still. Commercial routine makes shipping predictable once the corridor is threatened today now directly there still. Confidence can collapse before ships are physically destroyed or boarded today, now directly there still. Iran controls the North Shore facing the main approach to Hormuz today, now directly there. Abu Musa is one of the key Iranian islands guarding Hormuz approaches today, now directly. The Tunb Islands help extend Iranian observation near the strait today, now directly there still. Small islands matter because surveillance geometry multiplies across narrow water today, now directly there still. Qeshm is a major Iranian island and host to hardened military infrastructure today, now directly. Hengam adds another forward node to Iran's coastal watch network today, now directly there still. Syria has long been associated with Iranian anti-ship deployments today, now directly there still. Multiple islands create layered observation instead of a single lookout today, now directly there still. MEI describes radar, electro-optical, and acoustic sensors across the network today, now directly there. Traffic lanes immediately inside the Gulf run under close Iranian observation today, now directly there. Iran relies on asymmetric methods instead of matching larger navies ship for ship today now. MEI says the force blends conventional and unconventional methods together today, now directly there still. Reuters called the threat a layered system designed to slow decisions today, now directly there. No single weapon matters as much as all the layers working together today, now directly. The goal is leverage and uncertainty rather than permanent sea control today, now directly there. IRGC culture encourages local initiative inside a broad strategic design today, now directly there still. Dense civilian maritime clutter helps conceal Iranian movement near the coast today, now directly there. Reuters said fast boats were often hidden in tunnels bases or among civilians today now. Concealment and quick emergence are central features of the coastal system today, now directly there. The missile coast functions as a network rather than a single base today, now directly. Short-range missiles give the coast dense firepower at close distances today, now directly there. Nasser-class weapons support medium-range anti-ship attacks from compact launchers today, now directly. Nor became a foundational anti-ship weapon in Iran's coastal inventory today, now directly there. Extended-range variants widen the area threatened from shore today, now directly they're still here. Improved seekers matter when ships maneuver or deploy countermeasures today, now directly there still here. Iran also fields ballistic anti-ship options for harder interception geometry today, now directly there. Some Iranian missiles blur the line between land attack and anti-ship missions today now. Reuters said a possible Chinese centimeters 302 deal would add a hard-to-intercept missile. Truck launchers make missile locations flexible and harder to pre-target today, now directly there. Mobility keeps the missile coast alive after the first wave of strikes today, now directly. MEI highlighted an underground missile city near Qeshm Island today, now directly they're still here. Tunnel portals reduce exposure before launchers move toward firing positions today, now directly they're still. Hardened storage protects weapons from surveillance weather and preemptive attack today, now directly there. TEL circulation lets crews reload, hide, and relaunch from protected interiors today, now directly there. Utilities and ventilation are essential parts of any long-lived tunnel complex today, now directly. Launchers can leave tunnels only when crews judge the timing favorable today, now directly there. Decoys complicate targeting and waste valuable strike capacity today, now directly they're still here clearly. Underground reserves matter because a coast can threaten shipping repeatedly today, now directly they're still. Buried facilities are harder to assess and harder to completely destroy today, now directly there. The tunnel system is built to preserve retaliatory power after initial attacks today, now directly. Fast boats form the backbone of Iran's naval strategy, according to Reuters today, now directly. Reuters said some fast boats carry machine guns, rockets, and anti-ship missiles today now. Analysts told Reuters a seizure operation often uses about a dozen boats today, now directly. High speed enables quick harassment and withdrawal before heavier response arrives today, now directly there. Iranian sources noted rough water can limit small boat operations today, now directly there still. Small boats are vulnerable against warships with air support and guided weapons today, now directly. Commercial ships are not equipped to stop armed seizure teams today, now directly there still. Reuters said Iran was estimated to have hundreds, if not thousands, of such boats today. Even after losses, the fast boat threat remains hard to fully eliminate today, now directly. Boats are strongest when used inside a broader layered coastal system today, now directly there. MEI lists multiple mine types within Iran's maritime arsenal today, now directly they're still here. Invisible mines can halt shipping even before detonations become common today, now directly they're still. Small submarines add another concealed layer to Iran's anti-access toolkit today, now directly there. A growing drone fleet extends surveillance across the Gulf and islands today, now directly there. Iran mixes cruise missiles with ballistic and anti-radiation weapons today, now directly there still. Reuters said electronic interference contributes to uncertainty and hesitation today, now directly there still here. Long-range radar adds depth to local island and coastal observation today, now directly there. Sensor fusion helps convert scattered outposts into one network today, now directly they're still here. Redundant communications keep the kill chain functioning under attack today, now directly they're still here. The network works by linking detection mobility and attack into one chain today, now directly. Road design matters because mobile launchers need hidden movement corridors today, now directly they're still. Iran often hides military assets within cluttered civilian-looking landscapes today, now directly they're still. MEI says some mobile batteries may be disguised as civilian vehicles today, now directly there. Sustainment storage lets the system fight longer than a single salvo today, now directly there. Caves and coastal cuttings help conceal infrastructure from casual observation today, now directly there still. Geography amplifies the effect of even modest coastal firepower today, now directly there still here. Overlapping arcs create redundancy instead of relying on one launcher site today, now directly there. Mobility and relocation make the coast harder to suppress completely today, now directly there still. Iran combines fixed watch posts with mobile shooters for flexibility today, now directly they're still here. The missile coast is a physical system, not merely a weapons inventory today, now directly. Commercial ships fear the coast because threats can emerge from many layers today, now directly. Insurance can shut down traffic before navies restore passage today, now directly they're still here. Seizures show Iran can pressure shipping without fighting a fleet battle today, now directly there. AP reported gunboats fired on a tanker, and a projectile hit a container ship today. Reuters said fast boats add to missiles, drones, mines, and interference today, now directly there. Iran warned anchored ships not to move toward Hormuz during the crisis today, now directly. Isolated successful crossings do not mean normal trade has returned today, now directly there still. BBC Verify found daily traffic down about 95% today, now directly there still. Reuters reported more than 20,000 sailors stranded on about 2,000 ships today now. Reuters noted the Carolus was among only a few oil vessels making the passage today. BBC said U.S. strikes targeted anti-ship cruise missile sites on March 18 today. Reuters said small boats are harder to eliminate than larger naval vessels today, now directly. Reuters said the Centimeters 302 would fly low fast and be difficult to intercept today. Escorts must watch coastlines, not only the water directly ahead today, now directly there still. Technical passage is possible without restoring commercial confidence today, now directly they're still here clearly. Rough seas can make it harder for armed crews to shoot accurately today, now directly. Bad weather can reduce some risks but cannot remove the coastal threat today, now directly. Mobile batteries can move before surveillance confirms their new positions today, now directly they're still. Tunnel complexes make strike results harder to verify with confidence today, now directly they're still. Even a few surviving launchers can still threaten very expensive ships today, now directly there. At the narrow point, the lanes sit inside territorial waters, not open ocean today now. Iran relies on geography and asymmetry more than massed blue water power today, now directly. Neighboring states built bypass routes partly because Hormuz is so vulnerable today, now directly there. Alternative routes exist because the strait can be threatened from shore today, now directly there. Market prices react to perceived closure risk almost immediately today, now directly they're still here. Slowing decisions is a victory for a coercive coastal defense system today, now directly there. The core ingredients are sensing movement, hiding, and repeatable strike options today, now directly there. Relatively cheap systems can impose major costs on richer fleets and trade today, now directly. A dispersed network can persist even after visible military damage today, now directly there still. This story is about a built physical system rather than isolated weapons headlines today now. From above, the coast looks empty until the network behind it is understood today now. Iran turned ordinary coastline into a layered maritime threat architecture today, now directly there still. A narrow strait becomes far more dangerous when the shore itself becomes the weapon today.